What up, African world? It's Home Team here, and I'm back at it with another video of African history, culture, and worldview. And welcome back to my series, African Myth and Legend 101, where I tell various stories from African myth and legend. Today, we're going to tell the Hausa legend of the hero Bayajida. And as always, if you want to support the home team, you can do so on patreon.com. I have some new rewards for you guys, so be sure to check that out. Also, go to Afrographics.com, a website where you can find unique illustrative infographics summarizing African history. All links to Patreon, Afrographics, and home team merchandise are in the description box below. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. According to tradition, Bayajida commanded a large army. After fighting a war against his enemies, Bayajida wandered about with his army until they reached Bornu in the northern part of Nigeria. He allied himself with the Sultan of Bornu and helped the ruler defend his territory in several wars. Bayajida married the Sultan's daughter, Magira. As Bayajida's wealth, power, and fame grew, however, the Sultan became envious and decided to kill him. Magira learned of her father's plan and warned Bayajida. The couple fled Bornu and settled in Garum Gabas. Bayajida left the pregnant Magira and continued on his travels. Bayajida reached the town of Dara, which was ruled by a woman named Darama. An elderly woman agreed to let him stay in her house. When Bayajida requested a drink of water, the woman told him that there was none. The town had just one well in which a great snake lived. Villagers could draw water from the well only when the entire community came together and formed a group strong enough to hold the snake off. Undaunted, Bayajida took a bucket, went to the well, and began to draw up water. As the bucket rose, the giant snake clung to the rope attached to the bucket. Bayajida bravely took the snake's head with one hand and cut it off. He left the snake's body by the well, but put its head into his sack, which he carried back to the woman's house. When the people passed by the well the next morning, they saw the snake's dead body and brought the news to Queen Darama. Astonished, the queen declared that she would give the rule of half her land to whomever brought her the head of the snake. Many people claimed that they had killed the snake, but no one was able to produce its head. Finally, the woman who had housed Bayajida came forward and told about her unusual guest. Queen Darama summoned Bayajida, and he produced the snake's head. When Darama offered Bayajida half her land, he refused. Instead, he requested the queen's hand in marriage. She accepted, and they lived a long, happy life together. Their son, Bawo, ruled Dara after their death. Bawo's 6 sons became the founders and rulers of 6 of the 7 Hausa states. The son of Bayajida, by his first wife, Magira, founded and ruled the 7th Hausa state. Well, I'm all out, guys. If you like these videos and want to help out in its continued production, you can do so on patreon.com. The link is in the description box below. Know thyself. Remember your ancestors. Peace.